We live, Khori. Alright, y'all. Me and Khori about to make some goddamn Tyson chicken wings. Khori keep trying to open up the goddamn.
I need help.
Hold on, wait. We gotta rinse the chicken off first, Khori. Sunny day. Chicken.
Chicken.
Throw it in the bucket.
Okay.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7.
We got a 6-piece, Khori. Alright, this is trash. We got a 6-piece. We'll rinse them off.
Okay.
We got some seasoning. Dry them off real quick. Alright, we're gonna season it up. We got some chicken rub,
We got chicken.
onion powder, garlic powder,
We got the
Parkinson, Creole seasoning.
We got fire folder. We got fire.
You gonna do it and put them in there?
Yeah.
Paprika, get in there, let me see. You gotta stand up. There you go. Pour it in there like this.
Okay.
Sprinkle it in there.
Buddy. My turn.
Hold on.
Okay.
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 Alright. Good. Okay. Alright, next one. Sprinkle it.
My turn.
You gotta sprinkle it. It's open. Sprinkle it. It's open. There you go. Alright, that's enough.
Okay. My turn.
Onion powder. Sprinkle it in there. Alright. Well, this chicken about to be salty as hell, yo. Chicken rub.
My turn. Did you? Yeah.
Some more in there. Put some more in there.
Okay.
Alright. And now I gotta mix it up, Khori.
Okay.
Mix it up. You gotta mix it up like this. Scramble it up. Scramble it up. You gotta mix it. What? We about to eat this, man.
I'm saying, like,
Said what? She only touched the chicken. Make sure her hands are clean. Alright. This is raw chicken, Khori. This is raw chicken. Alright.
I don't hurt with your fingers. Get some big old wings.
Alright. We gotta get up the pan ready
Okay.
for you. I got it all.
Okay. Wait.
don't put your hands in your mouth, boy. Your hands, baby. We're gonna put the chicken on in the pan. Put them over in there. 2, 3.
We got 3.
4.
We got 3.
5.
We got
6. We got a 6-piece, Khori.
We got 6 piece. It's my piece.
Alright.
I need to wash my hands.
We set the oven to 375 for about 45 to an hour. Leave it back in there. Put it back in there.
Okay.
You gotta leave it in here. We gotta put it in the oven. Let it cook. Let it cook.
Okay.
I forgot I had this pan up there. Let me see that.
I know I smell something.
Woo!
Bring it for me.
Alexa, set the timer for 45 minutes.
Good evening, Marco. 45 minutes, starting now.
I don't wash my hands.
All right, we're gonna wash your hands. All right, y'all. See y'all in 45 minutes. Who was looking like? Say bye.